Welcome back to another Sandwich Saturday. Gonna make an eggplant halloumi today. Really love this one. So I'm not gonna waste your time by showing you how to cook this. What I've done is I've just cut some eggplant and just fried it in a little bit of olive oil, like 2 or 3 minutes aside. Same with the halloumi, cut that and then just grilled that on a kind of dry pan. Got some sliced tomato here, a little bit of oregano. We're gonna add a bit of black pepper. I've got some cheese here. I'm using Edam. You could be using like a cheddar as well. I like to use that because it kind of acts as a glue for it. And we're also going to add some tahini or tahina, whatever you call that. Let's get moving. Okay, so you saw me flip the bread, so butter side is down now. And I've got some cheese on there, like first layer of the cheese. Like I said, I like to use that because it kind of acts as a glue. Then let's get eggplants on there. Get a couple of bits on here. Nice and hefty. Then we're going to put our cheese on. And you can do this on your grill. If you've got a kind of a grill, the same kind of sandwich maker as me, like a grill, you can just cook these on there. Some tomato. These are big and hefty, these ones, nice and thick. A little bit of dried oregano or oregano. Some black pepper. I'm not putting any salt on this because halloumi is quite salty. Then we're going to go with some tahina or tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. Wow. And then we're going to go cheese again, like a cheddar. Like I say, I'm using an Edam, but like a cheddar or something like that. And like I say, this kind of, we've got this on the top and the bottom, kind of acts like a bit of a glue. Then we're going to get the bread, butter side up on, butter side up on. Now we go to the grill. Okay, so here we are. Grill is on. I like my grill on maximum heat. Let's put this on there. And before I close it, I'm just going to give it a little press down. And then off we go. On. Press. It's going to be like 3-4 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Oh yeah, they're looking great. That cheese is oozing out the side a little bit there. Beautiful. Let's get those on the board. Fabulous, fabulous. Nice and crisp and toasty. Let's get inside one of these. It's piping hot. Look at that, that is amazing. That lovely eggplant, the tomato, oregano, the halloumi of course. Fantastic. Let's cut this one. Oh man, I can't wait to get into this. Just grab a bit there. Oh wow, really loving that one. See you later.